The next element we have is what's called relative positioning. This moves the object relative to its location it would normally be at. So once again, we're going to do this to our middle division. I went ahead and reset it so that yellow is below red. And what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and this time, poor red gets picked on a lot here. Move this around. We're going to say its position is relative. And if we look at it right now, we haven't told it anywhere to move, so it didn't really do anything by itself. So we're going to say the top is going to be relative. Let's go 50. And let's just actually leave that as is. 50 what? That's what it's being mad about. We're going to say pixels. 50 pixels. We go here, and it moved it over the yellow element. Moved it over the yellow element. So, and in the browser testing, it did it as well. So we have to accommodate that when we're thinking about positioning on the screen with relative position. Building dynamic websites, like how things are laid out in Yahoo, is actually a lot more initially complex than just simply throwing in position tags. Just for giggles, let's try and do position here on yellow. We'll say relative, and I'm going to move its top up negative 50 pixels. Did it like it? Yep, it didn't like how I spelled position. Let's save it, and you see that it flip-flopped red and yellow by itself. When we take it out to the browser, it still doesn't look the best, but that's okay. Notice how we've also been using Chrome. It's always good to once in a while jump to the Internet Explorer, see what it would look like, and how it changes when you make the screen smaller or bigger. And what we're going to do is we're eventually going to calculate, okay, what do we have to do here to keep it proportional to the to what we're working with. There's some different things we can throw in there for that. But that's the basics behind relative positioning.